Are you a Layens beekeeper? We've got a couple of things that you might be interested in. We've got our Layens frame assembly jig. Take and build that out on a board here, put it on the right dimensions. It also comes with an adapter to put on the bottom so that if you would like to use the Layens foundation that we carry here, it will space the bottom board up just enough so that you can place your foundation in it. So let's take a look real quick at how it works. So we've attached our foundation on the board. We're going to take our Layens frames, get our pieces in, stack them right up against the side like this. Put a little glue on them, put them bottom board in, make sure we've got our grooves pointed up or holes, whichever you're doing, pointed towards the top of the bottom of the top bar. And then nail it together. Easy peasy. You come out with a frame like this. Once you have your frame, if you have a groove in your top bar and your bottom bar, you can take one of our Layens foundation and install them in your frame like so. This is very analogous to installing the foundation in a Langstroth frame. Once you have your foundation installed, you're ready to go. Add a little wax to it and drop it in your Layens hive and watch them grow. We hope you enjoyed this small video. Look for another video coming soon for how to adapt your Layens foundation, Layens frames to the Layens foundation with some tools that hopefully you'll have lying around the house. Thank you.